and get out there. Do it again. My name is Chrisz and I'm the Customer Journey Lead at Sonepar. It was a grocery giant, and that's the first time I made a website for the internet. Our customers, they come to our website or to our stores to get something done. And I'm here to make these journeys, as we call them, as easy, as smooth, and as enjoyable as possible. The first website that I made was for this grocery shop, and we actually won an award for that, so that was a thing. And I was the 100th person in the world who actually made it to be a master UX experience designer. I was 16 years old. I started to do some coding in BASIC on the Commodore 64 because my friends did, and so did I. It's very hard to say what do you do or what should you do, but we're not there yet. I mean, there's still more men than women, and I would encourage every girl to get into tech. It's a fantastic job to do. Yeah, it was a guy that I met at an agency that I worked at, and he said to me, "Chrisz, you speak nerd and you speak human being, and that's where you need to be." Sometimes somebody sees something in you that you don't know is there, and that is wonderful to have that help. Almost everything is digital right now. I mean, I do my shopping for my groceries online, I get my clothing online, and I help my customers online. I just think it's very important that even if things don't really work out the way that you think they will, you have to get up, dust yourself up, try again, go for it.